Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button for more content like this. Today, we're diving into the world of streamlined mobile app development with OutSystems, a powerful low-code platform. OutSystems offers a comprehensive suite of tools designed to accelerate the entire app creation lifecycle, from initial concept to deployment and beyond. This platform empowers developers, both seasoned professionals and those new to the field, to build sophisticated, high-performing mobile applications with impressive speed and efficiency. OutSystems achieves this accelerated development through a visually driven, drag-and-drop interface. This intuitive approach simplifies complex coding processes, allowing developers to focus on the core functionality and user experience of their app. Instead of getting bogged down in intricate lines of code, they can visually design the app's layout, connect various components, and define the logic that drives the application. This significantly reduces development time and minimizes the potential for errors. Beyond just building the app, OutSystems also provides robust tools for testing and deployment. Integrated testing frameworks ensure the quality and stability of your application, while streamlined deployment processes make getting your app into the hands of users a breeze. Furthermore, OutSystems supports ongoing maintenance and updates, allowing you to easily adapt your app to changing user needs and market demands. This platform isn't just about speed, it's about building high-quality, enterprise-grade mobile applications. OutSystems supports the development of apps for a variety of platforms, including iOS and Android. It also provides features for integrating with existing systems and data sources, ensuring seamless connectivity within your organization's digital ecosystem. Whether you're looking to create customer-facing apps, internal tools for your workforce, or anything in between, OutSystems offers the flexibility and power to bring your vision to life. One of the key advantages of using OutSystems is its ability to foster collaboration between different teams involved in the app development process. The visual nature of the platform makes it easier for business stakeholders, designers, and developers to communicate effectively and work together towards a shared goal. This collaborative approach leads to better alignment between business requirements and the final product, ultimately resulting in more successful mobile applications. So, if you're looking for a way to rapidly develop high-quality mobile apps without sacrificing functionality or user experience, OutSystems is definitely worth checking out. Visit their website at www.outsystems.com/low-code-platform/mobile-app-development to learn more about their platform and explore the possibilities of low-code development.